Okay guys, the next build for the ethanol plant is the processing centre, which is the top half of the picture. So okay guys, just to look in the box, all the parts I've got to clean up and take off. So there's a few parts on this build. So I will build all this. Have to glue the base. We'll see how we go. Just like the other one, it's like a jigsaw puzzle. So I shall glue it. So I will let that dry. the painting I can do once the shed's up anyway, so it's not going to affect me painting. So same as all the other builds, you got the marks to put the shed on. And then after this I'll put the roof on, because this roof will be the same colour as all the other builds. Got to work out which way it goes. That way. So that's it, guys, so I'll let that dry and then I'll put the roof on. Okay guys, I'm now going to glue the roof on. This will come in 4 parts. It's the same as the others, you've got the grooves to sit in there. Little one. Okay guys, I'm going to glue the tanks now.
So I'll let that dry, guys.
2 big tanks. And as the same in the other builds, they've got the little pins to join up. And then the top. Next
I'll
part,
go ahead and finish the other one.
I had to cut me fence railings for on top of these tanks, and they've got the base there too. But I have to paint these, so before I can glue them, I have to paint them. So, but I've got these medium tanks to glue, just the same as the big ones, just a small version. So voila.
Okay guys, I've just finished
So I'll go ahead
gluing
and
the
do the
little
other one.
tanks together and the air vents,
And obviously the other small tanks and the medium tanks. And I've also got my railings, which I've got all these I have to paint before I can put them on. These all go on top of the roof with the decking or platform, and more railings which will fit over there. Okay guys, progress on
So I'll
the
go ahead and
processing
paint
centre.
them.
As you can see, I've now got the railing up on top of the platform, and the tanks all glued in. All I've got to do is put these pipes, I'll glue them in place. Also the roof vents are all on, and I've just got to paint more of the railings and the ladders to go here. So I'll carry on with that. I'll paint them all up.
Okay guys, on the left of the
See what it looks
diagram, it's the heat exchanger, which I'm doing next, which is
all these. So I've got the pipes, all the tanks, which will go on this base, which in the picture, which is this part. So all I've got to do now is paint it and put it together. And there's just some more railings I've got to paint for the stairway. And this will be the last part, and then it'll be finished after I glue the railings and this heat exchanger. They're just the 2 pipes which you just joined together, so there wasn't much to do with them. So I'll go ahead and paint them. Okay guys, and I'll glue them in place. Just finish gluing the stairways. Just got to connect them all, which will go something like so, on that way. Done me little tanks. So now I'll just put it all together and she should be finished.
Okay guys, now the processing centre is now complete, other than some more weathering when I put it on the layout.
as with all the other builds, I'm not going to weather this one until it's all done. So same as most of the other builds, it's the same sort of colouring. Just turn it around for you. So at least that's the end of all my builds for the ethanol plant. Sorry about that. And you can see the stairways going up. But anyway, that's what she looks like, completely finished. And the only thing probably left to do is I've got the walkways on top of the tanks to do, which can be done whenever. But so far so good. So this is a wrap for the ethanol plant. I'd show you all the buildings, but they're all been tucked away, so when I get them out I'll do another video just on all the buildings. So thanks for watching, guys. Oh, before I go, I was meant to show you that the roof is all completely done too. But other than that, now I'll call it a wrap.